Have you ever wondered why you start doing great things and then suddenly stop? You're consistent for a while, then you procrastinate, doubt yourself, and ruin your own progress. It's not bad luck. It's not laziness. It's self-sabotage, when your own mind becomes the biggest obstacle between you and success. Today, we'll explore why we do it, where it comes from, and how to finally stop standing in our own way. Because the truth is, success isn't about working harder. It's about getting out of your own way. Self-sabotage is when your behavior, thoughts, or emotions block your own growth. It's skipping the workout even when you promised yourself. It's procrastinating on your dreams because you're afraid to fail. It's not that you don't want success. It's that deep down, you fear what comes with it. You fear change, responsibility, judgment. So your brain plays tricks. It convinces you to stay in your comfort zone by calling it logic, but really it's fear dressed as reason. Most people think we fear failure, but what we really fear is success, because success changes things. It demands more of you. It exposes you. Your subconscious mind wants safety, not growth. So when things start going well, that inner voice says, "This is too much. What if I can't handle it?" And that's when you begin to pull back. You procrastinate, overthink, or even start a fight with yourself just to escape progress. It often follows a pattern. 1, you set a goal. 2, you make progress. 3, anxiety rises. Can I really do this? 4, you find excuses to slow down. 5, you fail or quit. 6, you feel guilty and start again. It's a loop of progress and self-doubt that feeds on guilt. The key to breaking it? Recognize the pattern before it completes itself. Many self-sabotaging habits come from early experiences. If you were criticized often, your brain learned that success attracts judgment. If love or praise felt conditional, you might believe you don't deserve success unless you're perfect. So when you achieve something, your subconscious says, "This feels wrong. I'm not supposed to have it." That's why many people subconsciously destroy what they worked for, because they're trying to return to a familiar emotional state, even if it's painful. Perfectionism looks like discipline, but it's actually fear. You delay finishing projects because it's not ready yet. You don't post your work because it's not good enough. But behind all that is a fear of being seen, judged, or not being enough. Perfectionism is just self-sabotage in a fancy suit. Progress beats perfection every single time. That voice that says you're not smart enough, you'll fail again, that's not your truth. That's your programming. It's built from years of comparison, failure, and fear. The problem isn't that the voice exists, it's that you believe it. Start questioning it. Whenever it speaks, respond, "Maybe that was true before, but not anymore." Confidence is built when you stop treating self-doubt as fact. When you procrastinate, your brain isn't being lazy, it's being protective. It's avoiding the stress of failure, judgment, or uncertainty. But ironically, that protection causes more pain later. Every time you delay what matters, your self-trust weakens. Action, even imperfect action, rebuilds that trust. You don't need to be fearless, just faithful to the process. Your comfort zone isn't comfortable, it's just familiar. Growth feels unsafe because it's new, not because it's bad. Your brain would rather choose the predictable pain of staying stuck than the uncertain discomfort of moving forward. The moment you learn to sit with discomfort, you start breaking free from self-sabotage. The way to stop sabotaging yourself is to rewire the story. Start telling your brain, "I am safe in success. I am allowed to grow. I deserve good things even if I'm not perfect." Repeat it until your subconscious starts believing it, because new actions only last when supported by new beliefs. You can't change what you don't notice. Every time you catch yourself self-sabotaging, don't judge it. Name it. "Oh, that's fear talking. Oh, that's me trying to stay safe." Once you see them clearly, they lose power over you. Sometimes self-sabotage isn't about fear of failure. It's about fear of success. Because success means change. It means you might outgrow people, habits, and even parts of yourself that once felt safe. Your mind says, if I win, I'll lose what's familiar. So you stay small to stay connected. But growth always demands distance from comfort. For many, peace feels strange. They've lived in stress, doubt, and pressure for so long that calm feels unfamiliar, even dangerous. So when things start going right, they unconsciously create new problems just to feel normal again. It's not madness, it's conditioning. You've been trained by pain to feel alive only in chaos. Now it's time to rewire that belief. Self-sabotage doesn't end with motivation, it ends with awareness. You can't fight what you don't understand. Start noticing your triggers. When you delay, doubt, or distract yourself, pause and ask, what am I afraid of losing if I win? Then remind yourself, you are safe to succeed. You are allowed to grow, and you deserve everything you've been working for. Self-sabotage isn't your enemy, it's a message. It's your mind saying, I'm scared to grow too fast. So, instead of fighting it, listen to it, reassure it, work with your fear, not against it. Growth happens when your courage becomes louder than your fear. You are not broken. Far from it. What feels like failure, doubt, or self-sabotage is often just fear wearing a disguise. It's not a reflection of your worth or your capability. It's your mind signaling that you're on the edge of growth. Every time you hesitate, procrastinate, or hold yourself back, it's not a weakness, it's an invitation. An invitation to rebuild trust in yourself, to prove to your own mind that you are capable, resilient, and deserving. Remember this, success doesn't demand that you be fearless. It doesn't require that you have no doubts, no insecurities, or no setbacks. True success asks for something far simpler, that you stop letting fear dictate your choices, that you stop believing the stories your mind tells you about what you can or cannot do, that you take action even when your inner voice screams that you shouldn't. Every moment you push past your fear, you reclaim a piece of your power. Every small step toward your goals, even in uncertainty, is proof that you can trust yourself. And once you stop blocking your own path, once you stop letting fear run the show, you'll realize something incredible. The world doesn't have the power to hold you back. Your potential is waiting, limitless, and it only asks that you step forward. So today, stop apologizing for your ambitions. Stop doubting your strength. Stop shrinking to fit comfort. Fear is temporary. Potential is permanent. And the moment you stop letting fear decide your story, there is nothing that can stop you from becoming the person you were always meant to be.